guys, it's CrafTea Cat, and today I'm going to be doing a video on bathing my cat. Who's over here? And I'm sorry if you can hear the water running. He's drinking from the tap, and I also have my siblings outside the door, so if you hear them, I'm sorry too. And also, if I sound not as happy as I usually do, it's because we actually lost our other cat, Million, which you've probably already known this. If you didn't know, we lost our other cat, Million, a week ago today. I don't know when it's going to be when you're watching this, but that is really sad. And yeah, it just really doesn't make me in a very good mood. But yeah, we have my one cat, Caspian, and I'm going to give him a bath because he's really dirty. He got something on him yesterday, like my siblings put some kind of weird thing on his back, so we need to clean it off. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. This is the little cutie. Where are you going? That we're going to give a bath to today. My lost cat. So sad. But yeah. What are you doing up there? Get down now. So I'm just gonna float the tub right now.
I just broke up with my ex. Now I'm already single. I don't really know what's next, but I ain't even tripping. I'm jealous.
So I got my little kitty here. He is so scared right now. Ah! My phone's gonna fall. Just gonna put him in. No, let go of me. Let go. See? It's not that bad. Oh gosh, I forgot a towel. That's what I forgot. I'm not gonna be jumping out. What are you doing? Oh my gosh, I'm so wet. There's like stuff everywhere. Anyways, so a lot of questions, and I'm going to do like a little Q&A maybe, I don't know. But a lot of questions people have about me. I'm going to answer like the most commonly asked questions. And one of them is, how old am I? I am 13 years old. I've announced this in my countdown to my birthday series if you didn't see that. So I'm 13 years old. I'm 13. I live in Canada, which a lot of you guys probably already know. He is just like giving me the death glare right now. Whoa, oh my gosh, I fell. Over here. Get some water on you. Use these cups. Is it nice? Oh my gosh, you hate this so much. No! Can't even see him, he's trying to escape again. No, you're not going to get out. Oh! Get inside. Oh my gosh. Stay in here. Anyways, I just switched up the camera angle because I couldn't see the other way, so I changed it. So that happened, obviously. And I don't have my ring light on because, I don't know, it looks kind of weird in this light to me. But, I don't know. Maybe I'll turn it back on. But anyways, this little kitty just escaped. So, I'm going to hopefully not do that again. Stay here. No, No? You're not even in the frame. You see his face? He is literally terrified. No. No. Nope. You're freaking no. Nope. No. I'm watching you. Get back over into the terrain, buddy. Oh my gosh, his face. You look so mad with me. That you like water. Okay. More over here so you can actually see me. I'll clean this out again. And dump some on your head quickly. I think you're done. Is he done? He's done. You're done now. This is a really boring video. Wow, I didn't realize how boring this would be. His face though right now. Like, can you just... Alish! No. Hey, get back in. What are you doing, young man? Just had to get a towel. Just pick you up out of it. Let me get this towel dirty. What? So... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Isn't he adorable? It's you. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. Oh, I'm trying to escape even more. Down below. Thanks for 100 subscribers. And I've probably already announced the winners. I don't know. But yeah, that's it for this video. I'm just going to go let him run and roam around, get dry, lick himself. Anyways, yeah, that's it for this video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. I can't even give it.
Ain't no crying in the club, hey, let the beat carry your tears as they fall, baby. Ain't no crying in the club, hey.